Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Megan of Mom with Megan, and I am so excited about this video because it is going to be such fun to introduce to you and show you and unbox with you a new colorway from Lily Jade. The color is called Indigo, and the bag I have it inside this box, theoretically, because I haven't opened it and peeked, is the Shaylee. And I have loved the Shaylee for a long time. You can check out my other videos in the description box below. Down there as well will be the link to my friends' videos who are also unboxing this same bag or color from Lily Jade, and they are Kate Schwanke and Ashley of GatorMOM. So go ahead and be sure to check out their videos as well when you are done here. I am just so excited to be able to share this with you today. So let's get this thing open so we can see this gorgeous color together. Will you leave me a comment in the comment section if you have carried a Lily Jade before, or if you are thinking this might be your first one, because I can't recommend them enough. They make a gorgeous product. The owner, Megan, she is the sweetest person on the planet, I swear, and has phenomenal taste. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this bag will come with the 3.0 insert, which I have a whole specific review on this, which I'll also link in the description box. It's their updated insert. It's fabulous. It holds all the things you could possibly need. And as a mom of 3, I feel pretty comfortable saying that at this point. Looks like they also threw in some packing cases, which is so nice. These are so gorgeous. The hardware is gold. They match the insert. So helpful for organizing all the things baby related. It has actually been a hot minute since I opened a Lily Jade bag, and I'm like probably as excited about this color and this bag as I was about my very first Lily Jade, which I purchased myself. It was a Brandy Megan that I saved up for months, and I carried that thing everywhere. I was beyond in love with it for when I had 2 under 2. It was a godsend. I will spare you the unwrapping noises that come next. Look at that piece of gorgeous diaper bag purse art. Guys, this leather feels amazing. I have not actually, I know it's very weird, but I have not actually owned the Old English leather from Lily Jade. I've heard amazing things about it. I have not gotten my hands on one, but this is in the same type of leather. So this gorgeous blue color is going to kind of like become your own personal bag, because this leather is made to be used and loved and will like take on some patina over time, which I actually adore. I think bags should look like they are loved, and I am gonna love on this bag. Oh my gosh. I am so happy they decided to go with the silver hardware on this. I am a silver hardware girl at heart. I have tried to get around that fact, but I just can't. And so I am so happy because it gives it such a like casual, cool girl vibe, I think. Lily Jade packages their bags like nobody's business. Just like absolute phenomenal detail. It just takes a hot minute to get all of the little pieces of plastic and such off, so I can see the whole thing and show it to you. When you tilt the camera down, you can see that this bag has the most gorgeous, like light ivory lining. The pockets are trimmed out in the same delicious, incredible blue leather on both sides. The bag opens so nice and wide. I love that you can snap the sides down on the Shaylee for a little bit more of a streamlined look. If you're not needing all of the space up top, you can kind of just change the style a little bit. I haven't had the magnet pocket Shaylee yet, and I am so excited they made this change. I think it's just a little bit smoother, a little bit easier to use, a little more functional. So that's on both sides here that the magnet pocket exists, and you can see just a little bit of character already kind of coming through in the leather just based on me touching it and using it. I think it's just going to develop like the most gorgeous patina to this bag. Of course, the bag can be used as a backpack style, so I do have that strap here. Run it through these corners, make a great backpack. Outside zipper pocket here. Lily Jade, I think you guys have outdone yourselves completely. This is gorgeous. Okay, I am blown away. Like, I knew I would like this bag. I love blue. Like, my rug is blue, my bed is blue. I love blue, but this color is like beyond even what I was hoping for. I think it is absolutely the most stunning bag I've ever seen from Lily Jade, hands down. That is a personal opinion, but I've seen many and I feel quite comfortable saying that. The leather quality is incredible. The way the bag feels, the smushiness of it right off the bat is just like everything you could want. So I'm going to, as soon as possible, do a packing video on this bag so you can see just what fits inside. And don't forget to head over to my Instagram so you can see how I style this bag and some more photos and things like that over there. And don't forget to head over to Kate and Ashley's channels. Again, link in the description box to see them gush over how beautiful this bag is as well. Oh my gosh. In the meantime, go figure out how to get your hands on one of these for yourself. I know it's coming in the Shaylee and the Megan. Both are gorgeous, but this one is just, whew, calling my name. And I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye!